This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by checking simple things that cause the Chrome site error. Restart your router and wait 30 seconds before reconnecting. Reboot your computer and reconnect to the same network after that. Open a command prompt and ping 8 to test internet reachability. Also ping 192.168.1 to verify your router responds on the local network. Try another device or open Chrome in incognito to rule out profile problems and extensions causing the error. If basic checks fail, reset DNS and TCP/IP settings on your system. Open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/flushtons to clear the DNS resolver cache. Then run netint-ip reset to restore the TCP/IP stack settings to defaults. Restart your computer after those commands complete to apply changes. If DNS still causes errors, set your network adapter DNS to 8 or 1 for a reliable alternative resolver. Finally, focus on Chrome and system interference that can block sites. Disable any proxy or VPN in system settings and test connectivity again. Inspect the Windows hosts file for blocked domains and remove those entries if present. Temporarily disable firewall or antivirus for 5 minutes to test whether security software is blocking Chrome. Reset Chrome settings to defaults or uninstall and reinstall Chrome if the issue persists after these cleanup steps and tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.